How to take a screenshot in laptop. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to take screenshot in laptop. Okay, for this, first open the page you want to take a screenshot, and guys, this method is applicable on any Windows. Now here you can see print screen. Press print screen. After it, open Paint tab. Now here you can see paste. Click on paste. Go to file, save, enter file name, and click on save. Second way is open snipping tool. Now here select snip. After it, select area. By this method you can also take partial screenshot. Go to save snip, enter file name, and click on save. Third way is press Windows Shift and S key. Now here select snip. After it, select area. Open it. Go to save as. Enter file name, and click on save. And fourth way is press Windows and print screen. Press Windows and print screen together to take a screenshot. Press Windows and print screen together to take a screenshot. And to see where the screenshot is saved, go to this PC, Pictures, Screenshots. So guys, this is the method to take a screenshot in laptop easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and click on bell icon for the latest updates.